Are you trying to find the best rollator walkers for seniors without getting overwhelmed by options? Don't worry, we've tested top models and picked options that prioritize safety, comfort, and easy maneuverability. Today, I'm going to be going over the best rollator walkers for seniors that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the VOCIC Z21. From the moment you unbox the VOCIC Z21, the design signals a focus on seniors seeking stability, ease of use, and reliable daily mobility. Its target audience includes older adults with limited dexterity, caregivers prioritizing safety, and rehab patients transitioning back to independent walking. The VOCIC Z21 uses a sturdy steel frame with an understated finish that resists scuffs while maintaining a relatively light overall mass. When folded, it occupies a compact footprint suitable for apartment storage and narrow hallways, yet it remains accessible for seniors who may struggle with lifting. Its handbrakes are intuitive with fingertip control and a reliable parking brake for secure stopping during seating or transfers. Seat height and width are designed for comfort, with a 20-inch seat and ergonomic backrest for extended rests during long shopping trips. In real-world tests, the wheels glide smoothly over carpets and hardwood, with minimal effort required from the user during daily errands. Durability tests show steady performance after months of use, with no frame flex and consistent braking responsiveness in varied environments. The seat detaches easily for cleaning, and the breathable upholstery resists staining, helping maintain hygiene in shared environments over time. In a direct side-by-side test with the Drive Medical Nitro Euro, the VOCIC Z21 offers tighter turning and easier foldability. The pros include easy to fold and store, comfortable seating and grip, and smooth operation with reliable brakes. The cons include higher price and heavier mass. For caregivers, the VOCIC Z21's height adjustability and clear braking labels facilitate daily patient management and safer transfers. At number 4, we have the HOMLAND Foldable Rollator Walker. Designed for seniors who want mobility support without sacrificing portability, this rollator targets users seeking balance, confidence, and everyday versatility in crowded living spaces. From the moment you lift the foldable frame, it feels approachable for caregivers and older adults, signaling practical design tailored to confined apartments. Its height-adjustable handles and intuitive brakes invite users to customize fit, reducing strain, and promoting steady walking comfort across varied environments throughout the day. The frame uses a robust alloy construction, delivering a resilient yet lightweight chassis that resists flex and wobble during daily use. A generously sized, padded seat with a supportive backrest provides rest stops without sacrificing easy mounting or dismounting on uneven surfaces. When folded, the unit becomes compact enough to stow beside a sofa or slide into a car trunk with minimal effort. The rollator employs 8-inch wheels with smooth glide and responsive V-brakes that provide reliable stopping power even on slick or grassy surfaces. A simple pull brake engages a locking mechanism for park stability, while a gentle push on the release lever resets the brake without pinching fingers. In trials with varied flooring, the HOMLAND Rollator maintains steady stability, seamless turning, and predictable braking, even when maneuvered by users with limited arm strength. The fold-and-go design reduces setup time, and the brakes hold securely on inclines, though some users may prefer larger storage bag. When compared with the Drive Medical Nitro Euro Rollator, the HOMLAND offers easier folding and similar ride comfort at a friendlier price. The pros include a lightweight frame, an exceptionally easy fold mechanism that minimizes effort for caregivers, and a padded seat that enhances comfort during rest breaks. The cons include a higher price point and a marginally bulkier folded profile when compared to the lightest ultra-compact models in its class. In everyday living rooms and kitchens, the frame width and handle reach balance comfort with space constraints, enabling safe ambulation without constantly recalibrating for furniture. Overall, the HOMLAND Foldable Rollator Walker delivers dependable support, portable design, and practical features that align well with daily mobility needs. At number 3, we have the VOCIC Z21. From the moment you unbox the VOCIC Z21, its sturdy frame and polished finish signal a design intent aimed at active seniors seeking independence. Its weight of 13.5 pounds keeps it manageable for most users while still providing a robust, supportive walking aid every day. Its folding mechanism compresses quickly and securely, bringing folded dimensions to approximately 10 by 24 by 28 inches for easy storage. Constructed with a high-strength aluminum frame and precision-welded joints, the Z21 communicates a premium feel while remaining lighter than many rivals. The handle grips are ergonomically contoured with soft padding, reducing hand fatigue during longer sessions and enhancing user confidence on uneven surfaces. A maximum user weight of 300 pounds is supported by reinforced crossbars and a reliable braking system that resists flex under load. The Z21 features a 4-point fold design, adjustable push handles, and a compact seat with breathable fabric to encourage comfortable rest intervals. Braking is performed via responsive handbrakes with stamped anti-slip levers, ensuring precise control when transitioning between surfaces smoothly. The storage pouch and spacious under-seat pocket provide practical organization, while the brake locking bar ensures stationary stability during transfers. In hallway maneuvers and light outdoor edging, the VOCIC Z21 demonstrated steady grip, predictable turning radius, and minimal wobble even at its full extension. During a simple endurance drill, the unit sustained comfortable operation over 20 minutes with consistent steering response, confirming dependable control and fatigue management. Compared to the Drive Medical Nitro Rollator, the VOCIC Z21 folds more compactly and feels lighter, though it comes at a notably higher price. The pros include strong build, smooth braking, and compact folding. The cons include higher price and bulkier weight. At number 2, we have the Medline Rollator Walker. From the outset, this model targets seniors and caregivers seeking reliable everyday mobility assistance without overwhelming complexity or excessive preparation before use. Its lightweight aluminum frame promises easy carrying through doorways and tight spaces, while maintaining enough strength to support a full range of daily activities. The padded seat and thoughtful storage bag add convenience for short rests and on-the-go errands, reducing interruptions during routine outings. Lateral brake levers and a sturdy 4-wheel setup give users confident control when navigating uneven floors or crowded hallways. Open dimensions accommodate a comfortable stance, and the 4 large wheels distribute weight evenly to minimize tipping risks during turns and transitions. The build quality shows durable welds and a corrosion-resistant finish that endures daily use, while keeping overall weight manageable for caregivers. The braking mechanism offers reliable control with adjustable tension, ensuring brakes respond smoothly to different grip strengths and reducing accidental releases on slight inclines. Handle height is adjustable, allowing the walker to suit shorter users or taller caregivers and enabling proper posture alignment during prolonged walks. In real-world testing, users reported smooth maneuvers across carpet and tile, noting that steering felt intuitive and required minimal upper body effort. The folding mechanism collapses the frame into a compact size for trunk or closet storage, which significantly eases travel with caregivers. Compared to a popular rival like the Drive Medical 4-wheel, the Medline maintains similar stability yet weighs less and folds more compactly. The pros include exceptionally lightweight construction that eases daily handling, highly intuitive folding for quick storage, and unexpectedly comfortable seating during longer rests. The cons include larger folded footprint and higher price relative to basic models, potentially limiting minimalist budgets or compact living spaces. At number 1, we have the Drive Medical Rollator Walker. From the moment you remove the packaging, the device communicates practical intent with straightforward assembly, comfortable handles, and an overall impression of dependable daily use. This initial impression aligns well with a target audience of seniors and caregivers seeking reliable mobility support, easy transitions, and storage when idle. The build quality communicates durability through a sturdy frame, tight welds, and durable wheel assemblies that feel trustworthy on tile, carpet, and short outdoor strolls. Collapsed width measures about 22 inches, making it easier to tuck away in tight entryways or apartment closets after quick trips. Handle height and armrest positioning are adjustable, enabling users of varying statures to achieve upright posture and comfortable arm angles during extended sessions. 4 8-inch polyurethane wheels provide stable rolling, while the brake levers offer intuitive control for independent use and caregiver assistance. The seating area integrates a compact, comfortable cushion and a backrest that supports brief rests without compromising overall mobility during longer trips. Storage options include a removable underseat bag that can hold small essentials, with the option to add a caregiver tote if needed. In indoor corridors, it traverses tight spaces with minimal effort, and the brakes lock securely without requiring excessive force from the user. On carpeted surfaces, rolling remains smooth, though resistance increases slightly, which is expected for 4-wheel devices and may affect extremely thick pile textures. User feedback highlights easy reassembly after folding and reliable performance across shared spaces, reinforcing confidence for caregivers coordinating multiple daily tasks. Durability over time remains favorable thanks to accessible frame components and safety features that withstand daily wear while maintaining performance consistency. Compared to the Nova Rollator, the Drive Medical offers easier folding and lighter steering, though the seat padding may feel less plush. The pros include dependable four-wheel stability, an easy folding mechanism, and a comfortable seating area that supports longer rests without discomfort. The cons include heavier overall weight, which can hinder portability for some caregivers, and modest under-seat storage that limits carry capacity during outings.